Hello, this tutorial will show you how to log in to Google. Also, it will show you Google Classroom and a way to find your teacher and principal meet links. If you are new to Google, please go to www.google.com. If you are using a desktop or a laptop other than a Chromebook, you will have to type in that address. Also, if you are using a Chromebook, please just click on the icon. It should take you to a login. If it doesn't and you are already signed in, then you're good to go. Just please make sure that you are signed in to your student's email address. Otherwise, it will not let you go into Google Classroom with their assignments. Here we're going to sign in. Then you will enter your student's email address that was provided. If you do not have this, please let me know as soon as possible and I will get back with you. See, add in your password. All right, now we are signed in. Here you will be able to see if you are signed in to your students. It should have the initial of their first name. Their letter, yes. Okay, so you're going to click on Gmail. This is where you will see any emails that your student's teacher has sent out. Some people have where it's showing every assignment that has been assigned to your student. Just I'd like to point out that all assignments will be assigned daily, not weekly. So you will have to check in daily to see those assignments for that day. Here is what we call the waffle here at school. Um, it is where you will find all the apps available to your student. Here is where we're going to go to the Google Classroom. So you just click on this and it'll take you to your student's Google Classroom. Here you will see the teacher classroom, the principal that says SES students. That is where we meet every morning at 8 a.m. You should see a PE classroom and some of our other students, some of our older students, the 5th and 6th grade should have two teacher classrooms because they have two different teachers. Also, I will be adding another one for technology resources, so you should be getting an invitation for that one as well. If you have not accepted, you will not be able to see anything or any assignments in that classroom. I am using Miss Vavrusha's. She teaches first grade, so thank you, Miss Vavrusha, for letting me use your classroom for this tutorial. Here you will click in the classroom, and if you notice at the top, it has a Meet link. This is where you will find that link to join with your teachers. Also, this is the same thing for Miss Garcia's. Like I said, for the principal, it's the SES students classroom. You should find it on the banner as well. Also, if you do not see it and there is a letter I on the top, just click on that. It should show you the link. This is going to be the link that you will always check in with your teacher or for the morning announcements with Miss Garcia. This is the stream page. This is the main page of the classroom. Here, Miss Vavrusha has added her meets in the stream. Also, people have said hello, hi. If you would like to say something or post anything, you'll just click on here, type in, and you'll post it. Okay, so if you'd like to see classwork, you are going to go into this tab, classwork. Click on that. You will see attendance, the day of the week, and all the assignments below. Please note that assignments will be visible on the day of. They are not weekly, so daily check-ins will help stay on track. Also, attendance. We are asking that each student does check in daily. Um, we will be taking attendance. Also, I know that not everybody can get on live meets, and that is okay. As long as the teachers and the school is seeing that you are checking in daily and looking at your assignments. Here, you just click on the day of the week that you're checking in, and Ms. Vavrusha has asked a question to our students. You just click on View Assignment. You'll see other people have responded. You'll click down here to add class assignment, and you will go here, and there it is. Here you can mark as done, and that will show Ms. Valrusha that it has been turned in. So we're going to go back. I just click on this, and I'm going to go back into classwork. Here you will see your assignments. Just make sure you click on it. There's a description of what the teacher has asked the student to complete. You'll view assignment. Here is where the assignment is. Some teachers will have Google Slides or a link to click on. You'll click on it right here. Ms. Favrusha is using Bitmoji, so you click on the book and it reads the book to you, so that's pretty neat. Ms. Favrusha has also um, recorded herself on there as well, so pretty neat. I'm just going to click out of this. Okay. Here, I had already submitted practicing this tutorial, so this is where you will add or create your assignment. Majority is just to add because you probably have already had it saved onto your computer. This is where you will click and you will upload from your Google Drive. If you are working with Google Docs, Google Slides, or anything like that, and have already uploaded it to your Google Drive, it will automatically save to your Google Drive, if that makes sense. I will do another tutorial for anybody needing help on uploading into Google Drive. Also, if you already have a file, you can upload that file. It is not going to let me because I do not have that assignment, but let's see. See if it'll let me do this. You will just click on the assignment that you are about to upload, and you will go to Insert. Oh, it did let me. Okay, so here, now when you upload, you do have to click on Turn In. Otherwise, the teacher will not get that assignment. Here you can add thank you, Ms. Farusha, if you want to add another comment, and then you will turn in. Here it'll ask you if this is the um, assignment you would like to turn in. You just click on this, and then you can click on Post your comment, and there you go. Um, Also, I would like to show you, if you click on this hamburger, these three lines, yes, we call it the hamburger. Here you will see the to-do, and it'll show the assignments that need to be finished and completed. And then here it'll show everything that you have turned in. Um, Also, we also have, if you click on calendar, you can see throughout the day and throughout the week what has been assigned. So Monday it'll show this because the book summary and review is due on Monday. So you can see due dates on here as well. So that's pretty neat. I'm going to go back in to first grade, and it's going to take me back to the stream. I hope this is helpful for you all. If you have any questions, you can always email helpdesksupport@sesalice.org. Thank you all so much.